All right, we're gonna do this part 3. Might be a whole series on this house alone. That's how bad it is. So let's take a look. So I have a water heater installed here, 2018. A couple things with it. I don't have it fired up because they, for some reason, didn't put the gas line for the inspection. You can see the tank is damaged. There's no water retention pan. So if this leaks, it's going to leak into the home. And as we come up here, this is a TPR valve, so pressure relief valve. It's going straight down, has no pipe going down to the floor. It should actually go out of the home so it doesn't spill into and cause damage. Biggest, scariest thing here, this is gas. The furnace fluid is not going up to the ceiling. So when this lights up, it's just gonna burn a hole into the ceiling if they don't connect this. So it's not been connected yet. The shut-off valve is like right next to the wall here, so there's a lot of issues going on here. Over by the laundry, uncapped gas line, so it's going to be a safety hazard as well. So we're going to continue on, get back to it. There's a lot going on in this house, so time is the essence here. But for all your home inspection needs, First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeInspection.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.